Hi YouTube, welcome back to DofWorksAnimation. Before we get into today's video, yes, I know it's been a while. The thing is, I'm dealing with a lot of anxiety and insomnia and things that doesn't really work that well on camera, you know? If you've ever made a YouTube video, you know it requires a lot of energy to be on camera. I was so tired when I made my Milliput tutorial and I just didn't feel like I gave it my best. So it took me some time to get back from that, but I want to try again, and I realized that even though I haven't uploaded anything for about 5 months, we're almost at 100 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. And I know I haven't really promised any number of videos a week or anything like that, but even if I had 1 subscriber and that 1 subscriber was myself, I would probably still feel guilty for not uploading. So, but at the same time, I'm not here to please YouTube's algorithms. I'm here to make content that I feel is worth sharing. So I hope that makes sense, and let's make some props. Now, if you saw my Milliput video, you might recognize these. This is the clock and the bus schedule for my bus step set. Bus set, bus stop, bus stop, bus stop set. That was a hard one. Okay. Okay, I just had to charge my battery. I have attached this chain to the watch. You are now a chicken. Okay, these shiny paints, you have to shake them so much for them to cover anything. So you have to shake them forever. Right now. Okay. It's dry now, so now we can give it a wash. I'm using this one called Nude Oil, and that's a shade. You can make this stuff yourself. Just mix your paint with a lot of water so you have a very thin paint, and then you might be able to see that it's going into the details. So, I have made this little yellow bus, and I'm gonna draw the rest of it with a pen when it's dry. So we're currently waiting for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video and want more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do. Thanks for your patience. I will see you in hopefully less than 5 months this time. And until then, keep animation alive.